arah mana? Polis kejar atau masuk dalam sini? Macam ni lah. Macam
Dia tembak sebab dia ingat kita orang masih lari seperti itu berjalan terkali lah. Sebab saya tinggal
The evidence of this witness is very crucial, and the police must ensure that a proper statement is taken from him, and I think 2 statements have been taken from him, if I'm not mistaken. And I will be applying to the police to supply me a copy of the statement of the witnesses. Ordinarily, of course, the police say that such statements are privileged and therefore cannot be supplied, but I think there can and ought to be exceptional situations. I think this is one situation where as the family's lawyer, I should be given every cooperation by the police to get to the bottom of what happened. I think it is important, and on the other hand, I think the police should complete the investigation as soon as possible. I understand the incident has been classified as murder. It's in fact, it's the most serious crime in the country. I mean, it carries the mandatory death penalty under Section 302 of the Penal Code. And this will be a case, will be a test case. In fact, unfortunately, it had to be a death visual occasion, the court to really give guidelines as to when police can open fire. There have been guidelines in the past. Of course, most of the guidelines are in the IGS, so it's known as the Inspector General of Police standing orders. Unfortunately, these standing orders are classified as official secrets, and we as lawyers are not been given access to it. No, there is no basis whatsoever for an inquest. I think this is a clear-cut case of a police investigation which must culminate in the Attorney General studying the papers and drafting the right charge based on the evidence, on the statements taken. Prima facie, to me, it amounts to murder, because the acts done by the officers concerned was so imminently dangerous that he would have sort of realized that what he did could lead to death or grievous hurt. I think it's simple as that. Prima facie, but as I keep saying, the officers have their right to put up their side of the story, and I think that also has to be considered. But with this eyewitness here, I think very much of what they have said publicly, at least, I think has been countered, and I don't think that evidence can really stand in the light of an independent witness who was there.
Given their version of events, so you feel the
yes,
witness
he should, he must, isn't it? I think can't be one-sided. The family has as much a right in the investigation as the police officers concerned. In fact, more right. Family has lost a young son, I mean, just over 14 years old. This is a horrendous tragedy for the family. And I think everything should be done to satisfy the family that what happened was within the confines of the law and not out of it. And if it is out of it, then those who are responsible must answer it in court. As simple as that.